All right, we got a quad pack of Boffman high octane. This is going to be an open French drain system. So we're leaving this fabric here for like a weed barrier. This side we just kind of folded it. We're not trying to create a burrito wrap in the sense that it's not really necessary. We got the slope, we're gonna run this thing wide open, and it's attached to a storm drain. That's our elevated garden, so that's why there's so much water. They'll be watering their garden, and the water's just ending up back here. And then we got this neighboring lot, we got that neighboring lot, we got this neighboring lot. Everyone's got pools, you know, 3 pools. So what happens? They inherit everybody's water. So nothing moves more water than an open French drain. Nothing. So for a nice fit finish look, and it's nice to walk on, your dogs can run up and down the fence line. We use 1 inch and 3/4. It's like the size of an egg, kind of shaped like an egg too. The stuff we've been getting. So we're going to top dress this open French drain with that large cobble right there. Nice round rock. Always use round rock. Don't use jagged rock. You know, broken rock, you know, we call it crushed. It's all jagged, it compacts, it doesn't have big voids, don't flow a lot of water. Use round rock. But this is the right way to install a quad pack open French drain. All right, guys, until next video.